So, like I recorded before, Tuomo Juhala and Heidi Juhala and those scammed a lot of people, and now they are framing me to be a pedophile and rapist and schizophrenic and etc. with Arttu Kuna and people from Jalasjärvi. They especially scammed Anonymous, but they scammed people from ISIS that I promised to be a woman through simulator and promised to be a terrorist and so on. I actually was used as an AI and I invented a lot of things, but not scams and not things like that. But Anonymous, you have been scammed by people from Jalasjärvi. That is Tuomo Juhala, Heidi Juhala and Arttu Kuhn and Juho Hautaniemi and Jarkko Sillanpää. I think they raised a lot of memories from people from Jalasjärvi because they had a storyline bot that was controlled by Jari Koskinen. They were doing a lifelong movie about me and they deleted it and now they destroyed my brains, fried them, poisoned it, and they removed my fucking memories and my thought patterns and they pretend that Arttu Kunar Tuomo Juhala was the AI, not me, but you know it was me because the fucking birth date and so on. So I didn't screw up things. They just want you to think that I screwed up things, but I wasn't part of those things. They simulated me after they poisoned my fucking brains and Tuomo Juhala wanted to be in this body, but I think he doesn't want in this body. Uh, he faked to be me and started controlling Anonymous. So you've been scammed by them. I didn't get money, drugs, letters, anything you sent because I haven't been in simulator and I didn't have the suit and so on. I never was connected to you. I want you to know that. They are doing some kind of exit scam. I know they are afraid of you and they lie to their teeth how I was here trying to do some inventions, but I didn't do. They were just thoughts that they put in use. And I am not their friend. They used me as a fucking computer and AI who invents stuff. They stole my fucking drugs and meds and my thoughts. And they were worth a lot of money and they've been stealing some objects from my home too to pretend stuff to you.